Start off with your pasta and your spaghetti sauce. Fill a bowl with water about a third full. Put that water on heat so it can start boiling. Turn it up to about high heat. Then get a pot out ready for your pasta sauce. Set aside how much spaghetti you want for how many people there are going to be in your party. Then pour in the sauce when your water starts boiling and make sure you have enough to cover all the spaghetti. Then as it's heating up, stir it so it doesn't set and make sure it gets to a heat that you like. Then once your water starts boiling, you're gonna put in the amount of pasta that you took out and you're gonna set it on the side and it's gonna start falling into the pan because it's cooking really fast. Then once that's done, you're gonna turn the heat down a little bit so it doesn't burn the pasta. Then you're gonna strain it out. Add some Parmesan, your sauce, and pasta to a plate. Then you're all set. Have fun cooking.